Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on daily basis. Today's topic, commonly asked Power BI interview, question and answer. What are custom visuals in Power BI? Custom visuals are additional visualizations created by the community or third-party developers that can be imported into Power BI to provide more options beyond the default visuals. How do you import custom visuals in Power BI? You import custom visuals by going to the Visualizations pane, selecting the ellipses, and then choosing Import from File or Import from Marketplace to add new visuals. What is a tree map in Power BI? A tree map is a visualization that displays hierarchical data using nested rectangles, with the size and color of each rectangle representing different values. How do you create a tree map in Power BI? You create a tree map by selecting the tree map visual from the Visualizations pane and then dragging fields into the Group and Values areas. What is a sunburst chart in Power BI? A sunburst chart is a visualization that shows hierarchical data as concentric circles, with each level of the hierarchy represented by a ring. How do you create a sunburst chart in Power BI? You create a sunburst chart by importing it as a custom visual from the marketplace and then dragging fields into the appropriate areas. What is a waterfall chart in Power BI? A waterfall chart is a visualization that shows the cumulative effect of sequential positive and negative values, often used for visualizing changes in a measure over time. How do you create a waterfall chart in Power BI? You create a waterfall chart by selecting the waterfall chart visual from the Visualizations pane and then dragging fields into the category and values areas. What is a gauge chart in Power BI? A gauge chart is a visual that displays a single value in a quantitative context, often used for showing progress towards a goal or KPI. How do you create a gauge chart in Power BI? You'll create a gauge chart by selecting the gauge visual from the Visualizations pane and then dragging fields into the value minimum and maximum areas. How do you use R visuals in Power BI? You use R visuals by enabling R scripting in Power BI, creating an R script visual, and then writing R code to generate the visual based on your data. How do you use Python visuals in Power BI? You use Python visuals by enabling Python scripting in Power BI, creating a Python script visual and then writing Python code to generate the visual based on your data. How do you configure interactions between visuals in Power BI? You configure interactions by selecting a visual, going to the Format tab, choosing Edit Interactions, and then setting how other visuals should respond to selections. How do you drill through data in Power BI? You enable drill through by creating a drill through page with detailed information and then adding a drill through field to the report, allowing users to right-click and explore more details. How do you create bookmarks in Power BI? You create bookmarks by going to the View tab, selecting Bookmarks pane, and then adding bookmarks to capture and save the current view of your report for later use. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.